it's Cheryl Bridgman from Instructional Services, and this screencastify is to show you how to access PowerSchool to check on possibly your fees, or print your report card for your child, or view your report card, as well as check on their marks regularly. So the first thing you're going to do, if you haven't created an account, is you need to create an account. So I'll walk you through how to do that. There are instructions that are on the Parkland School Division webpage. So if you go to the webpage and up here under schools, you click on schools, our schools, then you're going to choose the second column here, exams and report cards. And then down on the left here, you're going to choose PowerSchool right here. And this here, PowerSchool account creation instructions, that's what you link on, and it will walk you through how to create an account and then how to add if you have more than one child. To get your username and password to access, you need to contact the school and they will give that information to you so you can go ahead and create an account. So once you have an account, you then can go to your website and school's website, and under quick links, we've got PowerSchool here. You can choose PowerSchool, which will then allow you to log in. Once you've logged in, I'm already logged into a school here, a student here. You can see the navigating bar on the side. You can check out attendance, grades, whether it's missing assignments. Along here is also fees. If you possibly have fees that are owing, the student does not. And then it also has the very bottom report card, how to print the report card. So if you're in here and you want to see how your child's doing, you can click on a mark, drill down and see exactly what the mark was about. You can see along the bottom here, these are the flags that might be present. So you might have something that's missing that would be linked with this orange one. Of course, you'd want to get on your kid about that to see where it is, but then it gives the score there. In terms of the grade, whether they have an indicator of excellent, proficient, satisfactory, or insufficient, you can access Parkland School Division's website to be able to find out what those indicators mean. So along here, you would choose the report card section. And here gives the levels of achievement and what they mean, and then the descriptors outlining what exactly an excellent student looks like in the areas of knowledge and skills, literacy, problem solving, metacognition, communication, and collaboration. So those are available for your reference on Parkland School Division's website. Those are not on the school's websites. Also, you can access PowerSchool on your phone. So if you're wanting to get the PowerSchool app, you can find directions on Parkland School Division's homepage. So again, you're choosing our schools up here in the second column, exams and report cards. And down here, you're choosing on the left PowerSchool. And here are the directions for using the PowerSchool app. This is the division code you would need to access, so the PowerSchool app will work for you.
Parkland School Division, where the world opens back up.